Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to know if someone blocked you in WhatsApp. So actually it is very easy. First of all, we need to open WhatsApp and choose the chat with a guy if you want to know if he blocked you or not. So this guy didn't block me, and to prove this, if you type a message and you see two check marks next to it, it means this guy didn't block you. If you see last seen of this guy, as you can see 2 p.m., it means it didn't block you, this guy didn't block you. And if you can add this guy to a group, so for example, if we try to add him to a group, add members, click on add, and if he will be added to this group, it basically means that he didn't block you. But now I will block myself. So I blocked myself from this account, and as you can see now, if I type hi, I will see only one check mark next to my message. I can no more see the last seen of this account, and I can no more add this guy to the WhatsApp group. As you can see, if I will try to do that, add members, choose me, and click on the add button, it will basically tell us that there is an error, not added, couldn't add one member, try again. Basically means that this guy blocked me. And basically that is it. That is how you can know if someone blocks you on WhatsApp. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.